Securing funding for a deep tech startup requires more than just groundbreaking technology. It requires strategic positioning. This guide outlines the critical elements investors look for when evaluating deep tech ventures, focusing on fundability essentials. The core challenge for deep tech startups is balancing high technical risk with the long time to market and capital intensity. Success hinges on addressing 5 key imperatives: technical validation, strong IP, market viability, team expertise, and financial clarity. Investors prioritize these 5 factors to assess potential returns against the inherent risks of revolutionary technology. The first critical factor is establishing a robust proof of concept, directly tackling the technical risk. You must demonstrate technological viability as early as possible with tangible prototypes, not just theoretical models. Clearly outline your R&D roadmap, key milestones, and contingency plans to mitigate inherent uncertainties for investors. Intellectual property is the lifeblood of deep tech. It protects your innovation and forms your competitive edge. A robust, defensible IP strategy goes beyond filing patents. It involves continuous protection and strategic licensing. Investors assess the IP moat, how wide and defensible your technological barrier is against competitors. Even revolutionary technology needs a market. Show investors a clear path to commercialization. Define your specific target market and clearly identify who your earliest adopters will be to prove initial demand. Present a clear, credible roadmap for scaling your technology from the lab environment to full commercial deployment. Investors invest in people first. Your team's expertise is paramount, especially in complex deep tech fields. Demonstrate that your team possesses the necessary blend of technical, business, and market expertise required for success. Highlight your domain authority and clear vision. Show why your team is the only one capable of executing this vision. Financial planning must be rigorous. Investors need to see clear milestones tied to funding tranches. Be transparent about your burn rate and provide a clear, justifiable breakdown of how the requested funds will be utilized. Set realistic, achievable valuation milestones that clearly show progress and demonstrate future returns for investors. To summarize, your fundability hinges on technical proof, IP strength, market clarity, team capability, and financial prudence. Focus on these essential steps to turn your groundbreaking deep tech idea into a highly fundable, successful startup.